DIY Bentonite Clay Hair Mask for deep cleansing and hair growth. Imagine a hair treatment so powerful it can detox, promote hair growth, and transform your hair, all with just one natural ingredient. Welcome back to Dr. Ian channel, where we bring you beauty secrets that work. Today we're diving into the magical world of Bentonite Clay Hair Masks.
Chapter 1. What is bentonite clay? First, what is bentonite clay? Picture this. Millions of years ago, volcanic ash settled and aged, creating this miraculous clay that we now call bentonite, named after Benton, Wyoming. It's no ordinary dirt, it's nature's sponge. This stuff can absorb up to 8 times its weight in water, and its negative charge acts like a magnet for toxins and impurities.
Chapter 2. Benefits of a Bentonite Clay Hair Mask. So why should you smother your hair in bentonite clay?
A. Deep hydration. Bentonite clay locks in moisture, leaving even the driest hair soft and silky. B. Detoxification. Think of it like a deep cleanse for your scalp, removing dirt, toxins, and buildup. C. Improved texture. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to defined curls and shine. D. Scalp health. Troubled by dandruff or itchiness? This clay calms irritation like a dream. F. Mineral boost. It's loaded with magnesium, calcium, and iron, nutrients that can support healthy hair growth.
Chapter 3. How to make a bentonite clay hair mask. This DIY mask is super easy to make with just a few ingredients you probably already have at home.
Step 1. Gather your ingredients and tools. First, let's gather everything you need: a non-metal bowl and utensils. This is crucial because metal can react with the clay and reduce its effectiveness. Stick to plastic, glass, or wooden tools. 1/2 cup of bentonite clay powder. We recommend using the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. 1/2 cup of warm water. You'll adjust this amount based on the consistency you prefer. 1/4 cup of unfiltered apple cider vinegar, optional. This adds a boost of scalp cleansing power while balancing your scalp's pH. 3 tablespoons of your favorite hair oil, optional. Coconut, argan, jojoba, or castor oil all work wonders for hydration and shine.
Step 2. Measure the clay. Start with 1/2 cup of bentonite clay powder. The amount of 1/2 cup is approximately 100 grams.
Step 3. Mix in apple cider vinegar and water. Next, dilute the apple cider vinegar. Use a ratio of 2 parts water to 1 part apple cider vinegar. This step is super important because undiluted vinegar can be too harsh on your scalp. Now, add your diluted vinegar and water mixture to the clay. Watch it for about 10 to 15 seconds. That's how you know the ingredients are activating. Mix it gently until it forms a creamy, yogurt-like consistency.
Step 4. Check the consistency. Now check the consistency. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of water at a time until you get it just right. Too thin? Sprinkle in a little more clay and mix again.
Chapter 4. How to use it. Here's exactly how to apply it for the best results.
Step 1. Start with damp hair. First, make sure your hair is damp. You can use a spray bottle if your hair starts drying out as you work. Damp hair helps the mask spread evenly and absorb better.
Step 2. Apply the mask section by section. Using your fingers or a brush, saturate each section with the mask. Start at the roots, focusing on your scalp. Once your scalp is coated, work the mask down to the ends of your hair. This ensures the hydration and nutrients reach every strand.
Step 3. Keep your hair hydrated. Clay can dry quickly, so keep that spray bottle handy. This keeps the mask pliable and effective.
Step 4. Clip it up and cover. Once your hair is fully coated, clip it up to keep it out of your way. For extra benefits, cover your hair with a plastic cap to lock in moisture.
Step 5. Let it sit for 15 to 25 minutes. Now relax and let the mask work its magic for at least 15 minutes, but no longer than 25.
Step 6. Rinse thoroughly. Clay can be stubborn, so make sure you get every bit out.
Step 7. Shampoo and condition. After rinsing, follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner.
Pro tip: frequency and leftover mask. Use this mask once a week for best results. Overdoing it can dry out your hair, so stick to this schedule.
And if you made too much, don't worry. Store the leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge.
Chapter 5, Side Effects. While bentonite clay is amazing, overuse can dry out your hair. Stick to once a week to keep your hair balanced and healthy.
And apply a small amount to your wrist or behind your ear, and wait for 10 minutes to make sure you don't have any sensitivities.
Chapter 6, the final verdict. So, is the Bentonite Clay Hair Mask worth the hype? Absolutely. It's affordable, natural, and effective. After just one use, your hair will feel cleaner, softer, and more hydrated.
But don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself and let me know what you think. Want more hair care tips? Subscribe and hit that notification bell for weekly beauty hacks.
See you next time. Until then, stay gorgeous.